beautiful Lily Pads. It's Girl Lily Pads coming at you with another video. I'm sorry today's not my Lily Pads. That's my old intro. What's up, my JJ crew? That's a new intro I came up with. Ew, it's really gross. So anyway, okay. Sorry my hair is like this, and sorry the camera is so weird. What am I doing? I don't know. But sorry my hair is like this. I got out of the shower. And, yeah. So, yep. So it's gonna look like this the whole video. So yeah, I'm sorry. But sorry, my camera's not so good. I left my ring light and my tripod. Oh, my tripod at my friend's house. And today we're gonna be making slime. So I have a total of 16 slimes. I'll show you a few of them now. Here's a white one. I'm not going to open them, but yeah, here's a white one I made. Here's another white one I made, but this was out of clear, and this was out of white. I added foam to that one. Here's clear slime, but a bigger batch. This was combined with this, but this, I made a big batch of this. And there was too much, so I put it in this. That was too many words. But, yep. And here's my favorite slime. It is my clear confetti slime. And it is a big slime. But it's a very big container for a very big slime. But it's, like, not full. You know what I mean? But, anyways, today we're going to be making slime. So, I just knocked over more of my slimes. Put these on. Okay, so what we're going to add to this slime is maybe, So, first of all, we're going to start by putting, there it is. So, what you'll need for slime is I'm sorry. Okay, sorry, I want some chocolate. You'll need something to mix in, something to mix with. I got a plastic knife. I had choices between a knife or a spoon. I chose a knife. Okay. But a container with a lid. You'll need glue, of course. I chose clear glue. And you'll need activator. I have this. I've used this for about 2 months now. And I tell you, this is working. Like, I've already gone through 4 batches of this. Like, 2 of these big ones, 4 of the little ones. So, but they're very expensive. This was like $13 for this little thing. This is little compared to the big ones they make. I mean, this one is a big one, but they make bigger ones. Anyways, pour in the glue. I want that big of a slime today. Okay? And I got glue on my leg, and I just took a shower. I'm gonna have to take another shower after this video. And I'm not kidding. This coronavirus, guys, is really, like, the coronavirus could be in anything. Your snot, your cough. It could be in glue, for all we know. Ugh, I'm sorry. I'm a germaphobe. I literally today, so far, I've taken 2 showers. In an hour. I'm just kidding. But I took one this morning at like 7, and I took one now, and it's 3:39. So, it's not even nighttime yet. So, I'm probably going to take one after this video again. Because I just got glue on me. Okay, so I'm looking at my ingredients. What should we add? We have, since...
Oh, yeah.
We have doing my shop. Why don't you dropping it? This is really bad. Okay, fall. I'm scared. This is really good. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm stressed. Oh my gosh. All of my stuff just... Okay, I'll tell you guys what just happened in a second. Oh, I'm sorry. Guys, this video so far is horrible. I'm really sorry. Okay. I will be... Ow, 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 I hurt my leg. I'll be back. Ew, what did I sit in? Oh. Ew. I'm sitting in dog crap. I'm just kidding, I'm not. I didn't pull my pants down. I pulled my back pants like this down. Okay, guys. I just sat in dog pee. Ew. I'm gonna look for pants. This is so gross. Okay, guys, I'll be back when I have pants and stuff on. So, I'll be back. I'm gonna set this. BRB. I'm back. Oh, crap. That was me. I made that loud noise. I got these pants, shorts on. Okay. Sorry for that weirdness going on. But I'm back. I got all the slime stuff I put in slime. I have more, but like, I don't want to make any of it. Oh crap, I might as well do that now. Sorry, I'm talking about my slime. I mean, yeah. My snow stuff. Okay, so this is my, I have some snow I can put in my slime. I have coloring and scents in that bag. I have glitter powder. I have pigments, which are very expensive, by the way. I have, whoa. Wow. I was looking for this. So I have a chocolate little scent thingy, and I found it in my bag, and I can't believe it. But, found that one. And I have foam beads. I have many colors, but I just chose green. And I have mermaid's tail skin thingies, and I have fruit charms right there. So, and I have snow. So I have a lot, but I don't know what to do, or like what to put. I'm gonna add some more water to this snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And I'm gonna add some more snow in a second. Oh, it looks like I don't need to. It already formed. Oh, and I just got it on my camera. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll put this back up here. This thing is not to fall down. I just hit it. That's where it is. Ew. I'm gonna bring this over here. And I'm gonna bring it here right there, so you can see what's happening. Oh, also, I have, oh, these smell good. I have scents and white mermaid, skin. So, here's our slime. Get it going. Should I add water? Nah. So, I don't know if I want to add snow to this one. Okay, to this slime, I'm not going to add snow. To this one, though. But to this one, I think I might. Come here. Activator. Ooh, get out this way. Why is there a balloon over there? I don't know. What it... Move. Here we go. Go away. Okay. I don't know if we're going to add any of these. So maybe... How about this? Okay, I know what we're going to add. We're going to add chocolate scent in it. Oh, that was so much. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Ooh, but it's worth it. This smells so good. I should have done that after. Dang it. Now. But this smells so good. Oh, it's worth it. I'm going to add some pigment. What color should I add? Should I add red, gold, rose gold, purple, or blue? I'm actually running out of blue, so I probably shouldn't do that one. So no, not blue. So that's a no. I'm running out of rose gold. No, I'm not. But I am running out of gold, so no. No purple because I don't like that color. It's between these two. I think I'm gonna go with the red. The reddy color. I'm gonna call this one chocolate cherry. I don't know. There's a lot of candies where cherry and chocolate is together. Hello, baby. Oh. I'm gonna put this back on my head. Look like I'm entering a war. That was my fake laugh, if you could tell. It just fell. Like it. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep this down, you guys. Okay. What was that? I don't know. Okay. We're just gonna keep up. This video has been 11 minutes long already, and we haven't even done anything this time, except 2 things. I need to activate it first. Where am I? I just added so much pigment. I am just dumb. What am I? What? Alright, you see up close? Like, what is this? I don't know. But look how cool that looks. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. We're gonna keep mixing. Mixing. It has chunks in it. No, it doesn't. Never mind. That was just the glitter. And here's the final product. It's so cute. I don't think it needs any more. And it still smells good. Like, kilts. I think it would look cute with this. So maybe I am going to add some. It's fun. Guys, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just too pretty. Why is it? No. Okay. But I kind of didn't want that, so we're not going to add any more. Okay. I think that's it for this slime. Oh, activator. Crap. That was so much. Oh my gosh. I probably won't overactivate it though. What time is it? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm recording with my phone because, yeah, my camera died. Just kidding, I'm not recording my phone. My phone is right there. It's literally right next to the camera. So I just went like that. But I touched the camera on accident. So, Okay, I don't want to add any more activator because I'm scared I'm not overactivated. Okay, I've already added a lot. So we're going to see how this works out. It's pretty. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm not Karina Garcia, so I don't really know how to make slime that much. Oh, I got it on my rug. Oh, crap. Why is it clear? Like, when it fell, it was clear. Ew. Ew, I just wiped that on my clothes. Ew. I said ew so many times. it's not activating, and I'm scared, because what if I just wasted all this stuff? How about we go in with 2 hands to make it better? Yeah, we'll go in with 2 hands. Okay, ready? Ooh, pretty. See, it activates whenever you're going in with 2 hands, but it doesn't when you're mixing with a utensil. They're not silverware because it's not a silverware. It's just a utensil. Ew, did you fart? Sorry, I'm talking to my friend. Did you fart? Stop lying. She's shy, guys. Did you fart? I'm just kidding. Nobody farted. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. I'm kidding. Okay, guys. Comment down below if you saw me talking to her. I'm not a her. Shh. I'm just kidding, guys. That's me. Comment down below if I pranked you. I'm sorry I played too much. Okay, so this is... It turned... Okay, so you know, like, it looks different than before. It doesn't look like it did whenever I added the pigment into it. It looks really different. It looks like pink, kind of. Maybe that's what it was, but I don't know. We made a slime. We just need to add more activator, and then it'll be better. Oh, this is a mess. 'Cause I'm a mess, I'm a loser, I'm a hater, I'm a user. Comment down below if you know that song. I love it. It's an old song, but it's good. It's not too old, though, but it's not too young. It's like me. I'm not too old, but I'm not too young. Just right. No, in your 20s is just right, because you're not too old, and you're definitely not too young, because you're like in your 20s. See, it's like oobleck. Like when you touch it, it's like, well, kind of not like oobleck, because oobleck was hard when you like mash it or something. This is, it's a solid, but it's like not hard. It's a rock. Okay, but it's still like sticky. I mean, what? Let me just add a little bit. Oh, I added too much. See, I'm running out already. How? I'm gonna close that. I don't trust it. How did it just run out so much? It was little. I don't know, but I don't like it. I'm just kidding. $13 for some activator. Okay. So guys, this is my final product. Well, actually, yeah, it is, because it's not as sticky. It kind of comes right off. Okay, well, I'll be back when I get the final product. So, yeah. The camera might be pink still, because I made it to where my editor, me, whenever I edit it, I'm gonna make it look pink, like my fingers, so like when you cover it like that. So, yeah. I'm gonna be back whenever I get the final product, though. Peace out. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Pikachu, I'm just kidding. But for real, I'm gonna cover it with this. Ready? Bye, guys. No, I'm gonna cover it with these. Ready? Bye, guys. What time is it? Hey, I'm back. Oh, I was trying to see what that was. Here's my final product. It's it nice, I know. But I'm just kidding. It's still a little sticky, but it's what I'm working with right now. But here it is. It's kind of a big slime. But it's not big, you know. But here it is. It's like medium slime. And it's kind of sticky still. But it's just what I'm working with. I probably just said that. But, yep, my final product. But I think we're going to make another one tomorrow. Tomorrow's video. So, yep. But if you guys didn't know, there's still some on one side. If you guys didn't know, the coronavirus is making some schools like cancel for longer than a week because most spring breaks are only a week, and my spring break is a week. But our school might cancel it and make it 2. But the coronavirus is not in our state yet. We're lucky because the coronavirus is not in our state yet. It's in other states, but it's not in my state. So we're lucky. But everybody's like taking out the toilet paper and Febreze, Lysol. So everybody's getting prepared for it. If it does come, I hope it doesn't move.